Hi guys, happy Friday! Steve and I are on our way to work. He's actually dropping me off at the train station, and then I'm going into work. Steve is going on like a bachelor's trip with his like friend that's getting married, and I'm gonna be at home alone for the weekend. So let's see what I have planned this weekend. So yeah, gonna go to work and I get a coffee and start off this Friday on a good note. All right guys, I will see you all later. Hi guys, so I just got home from I guess just being out all day. I had work and then I went out for drinks with one of my friends, which is like really nice. We just caught up and that was like so nice. I feel like I haven't done that in a little bit. So yeah, it is like 9:30-ish. So I'm home, just gonna hang out with the boys. Like I said, Steve is out on his like bachelor weekend with like his friend that's getting married. So I'm just me and the boys this weekend. So I'm just gonna hang, watch some like videos, Netflix, and then head to bed. So if I don't see you all tonight, I will see you all first thing in the morning. See you later. Good morning. So it is early. I just got up, I took the boys out, I fed them. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and make my morning smoothie. So I'm just gonna gather up all the things I have in my fridge to make my smoothie. So I'm going in berries. I'm gonna do a packet of banana. These are both frozen, by the way. Then I'm gonna go in with some spinach, and I'm trying to think what else I added last time. Oh, my coconut water, spinach, coconut water. I think that's it. I mean, I could add an apple, but I'm not sure. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my smoothie really quick. Hi guys, so I just got ready really quick. I'm on my way to the mall to make a couple returns because some of the things I got last week just didn't end up working for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and return those, and then I'm gonna come back home, tidy. I think I'm gonna like film like a little snippet and then like add in like a clean with me section, and then just hang out with my boys. So we're gonna catch up on like all the shows we like have to catch up on and just hang out with them. But obviously I'll keep you guys posted and let you know how the day goes. Hi guys, I look like a total wet dog. It was literally raining and I got caught in it. I kind of dried my hair a little bit with a napkin that I had, so hopefully it dries nicely. But I finished my returns super quick. I was looking for other stuff but nothing really caught my eye, so I just decided to leave. I'm gonna head home, make lunch, and then hang out, do like some cleaning, tidying, and yeah. All right guys, so I'll see you all in a bit. guys, so here is my quick lunch. Okay, so I have lettuce and spinach, tomato, corn, grilled chicken, and feta cheese, salt, pepper, olive oil, and a little bit of lemon. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. Hi guys, happy Sunday. So yesterday I literally did nothing. I fell asleep. I watched the entire season of Cheer on Netflix. It was so good. Well, I like kind of stuttered there, but it was so good. I loved it. I did Cheer when I was younger. I actually did it my first year of college, and then I stopped, so it brought back so many memories and I miss it so much. But yeah, the series was really good, so if you haven't watched it, definitely go check it out. Really good. So yeah, I woke up this morning, took care of the boys, fed them, everything, and then I went grocery shopping. So I just got 2 big bags of groceries. I actually really like these bags. We got them last time. Super cute. And then I also ended up getting my Starbucks coffee. So I got a blonde roast, and I also got little egg bites. I mean, not egg bites, bagel bites. So if you haven't tried those, try them. The everything bagel is so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna have my breakfast really quick, put all my groceries away, and then I have so much to do today. So it's literally about to be 11 o'clock, so I wanna get this done ASAP and yeah, get my day started. All right guys, so I will see you all in a bit. Okay guys, so this is just an overview of everything I got this week from Trader Joe's. So I'm just gonna go over it really quick. So I ended up getting these chili and lime flavored tortilla chips. I haven't had these in forever and I've been really craving them, so I got a bag. I also picked up these Trader Joe mac and cheese bites. These are so good, and we have a little bit of marinara sauce left over from last week, so we're gonna dunk these in there. Super delicious. These Trader Joe's mashed potatoes are so good. They come in like little medallions, and then you just cook them and smash them, and it is so delicious. So I'm so excited to eat that this week. I also bought spinach, broccoli and cauliflower, and then salt and vinegar potato chips. Then I got a couple of apples because I have some left over from last week, so got a couple more apples. I ended up getting Parmesan and Romano cheese because I noticed that we were out. Then I have marinara sauce to go with the pasta. Also, guys, I told you that, or I don't know if I told you, but the dried mango is so good. So I got 2 packets of those. Super yummy. I'm so obsessed with them. I ended up getting this organic peanut butter, creamy peanut butter to make with apples and like cinnamon as like a sweet snack, so I got that. I got grape tomatoes, I got red grapes and blueberries. I also ended up getting some cucumbers, some grilled chicken, and then I'm gonna probably eat these for lunch. This is the black bean and jack cheese burrito. It's vegetarian, so I'm really excited because sometimes like when like meat or something is in here, it kind of like freaks me out a little bit, but I'm excited to try this out. Oh, and then I got like eucalyptus. So yeah, that's my little grocery haul for the week, and yeah. little bit later. I'm still like in the middle of cleaning, but I took a little break so I could eat my lunch. So I'm eating the black bean and cheese burrito that I showed earlier in my Trader Joe's haul, drinking some water, and then I'm gonna have a little bit of the chili and lime chips on the side of my burrito. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, have my lunch really quick, and then I'm gonna keep going with the cleaning, and then I have to film videos, have to edit, plan content, and wrap up my laundry. All right guys, so I'll see you all in a bit. Hi guys, so I just got done filming a video, or like 2 videos, and yeah, I'm just gonna finish up the laundry, just fold everything, put everything away, and then I'm gonna edit a video so that could be up for you guys tomorrow. But by the time you see this, you should have already seen that video, so I'm gonna try to do that for you. And then yeah, I'm just gonna get ready for the week. But yeah, I'm gonna obviously keep you guys posted. I'm not that hungry, so I don't think I'll have dinner because that bean burrito was actually very filling, so I don't think I'm gonna have dinner. But if I do, I'll obviously let you guys know. And then yeah, I have to shower tonight too and make my lunch for tomorrow, so yeah, gonna keep you guys posted on that. All right guys, I'll see you all in a bit. Hi guys, so it is so much later. I ended up just getting all the things together, finishing up laundry, getting the sheets, making myself lunch for tomorrow, and then showering, and now I'm in bed. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.